My vape, what's going down? What did you fucking do today? That's right. What the fuck did you do today? Did you do anything worth a fucking damn? It's all about doing what fucking floats your goddamn boat. Well, what floats your fucking boat? Laying on the fucking couch? Being a fucking excuse maker? I just call that a fucking pussy. Being a pussy fucking floats your boat, you're doing a fucking great job. Well, for most, I would have to say, a pussy is not the title that you want to fucking carry throughout your life. So you know what that means? It's time to fucking wake up. Time to get off the fucking couch. Time to fucking go claim what's yours. Go fucking sweat. Go fucking do something that gives you the fucking title that you actually want to fucking wear. What fucking flag do you want to fly? Does your flag say I'm a fucking pussy? Does your flag say I'm a fucking excuse maker? Does your flag say anything that you're fucking proud of at this point in time in your life? If so, good for you. Keep fucking kicking ass. Because the fucking journey is all about your version of fucking kicking ass. I don't know anyone whose fucking version of themselves in their journey is being a lazy, pathetic, excuse making motherfucker. So think about this. What fucking flag are you flying? Does it say I'm a pussy? Does it say I'm a fucking excuse maker? Or does it say I'm a bad motherfucker? Now think about this. The flag that you fly is not really your fucking choice. It's really not your fucking given fucking name in terms of words. The fucking flag you fly has to do with your fucking actions. So you can walk around and tell fucking people whatever you want. But your flag fucking flies what you are, not what you say. So what the fuck is your flag? What does your flag say? Does it say I'm a hard-working motherfucker? I fucking get what I want because I bust my fucking ass and I make the goddamn sacrifices? Or does your flag say I'm a fucking pussy, I lay on the fucking couch, I make fucking excuses, and I wait for the fucking world to give me what it owes me? Well, guess what? That ain't gonna fucking happen, number one. Number two, if you're fucking proud of that fucking flag, you need to have your fucking head checked. It's all about your fucking actions, not your goddamn words. Are you happy with your actions? Not are you happy with your words? Words don't mean shit unless you got the fucking nuts to goddamn back it up with actions. And that is exactly what I'm fucking getting at, my peeps. So what fucking flag are you flying? What do people see on your flag? Because your flag basically says what you do. Think about that. Anybody can talk a big fucking mess. But what do your actions truly say about you? That's what you got to ask yourself. Think about that, my peeps. Rock and roll.